trigonometric ratios up to transformations. Second bit, first question. Prove that first one, cos of pi minus a, cot of pi by 2 plus a, cos of minus a by tan of pi plus a, tan of 3 pi by 2 plus a, sin of 2 pi minus a equal to cos a. Okay, so proof. LHS I want to take first cos of pi minus a, cot of pi by 2 plus a, cos of minus a by tan of pi plus a, tan of 3 pi by 2 plus a, sin of 2 pi minus a. So one thing we remember, pi by 2 equal to 90, pi equal to 180, 3 pi by 2 equal to 270, 2 pi equal to 360. Pi value 180, pi by 2 180 by 2 90, 3 pi by 2 3 into 90 270, 2 pi 2 into 180 360. Okay, now 180, cos of 180, 180 means cos will become cos a. Second quadrant, in the second quadrant cos is negative minus cos a. Next 90, 90 means cot tan. 90 plus second quadrant, cot is negative second quadrant. Next cos of minus a, cos a. Since cos of minus a angle fourth quadrant, in the fourth quadrant cos is positive by pi 180, tan will become tan. 180 plus third quadrant tan is positive plus. Next tan 3 pi by 2 270, tan cot. So next 270 plus fourth quadrant tan is negative. Next 2 by 360, sin is sin itself. 360 minus fourth quadrant sin is negative. So this minus minus will become positive. This minus minus will become positive. Okay, tan a getting cancelled. Next cos a into cos a by cot a equal to cos a by sin a into sin a. Sin a cancel, cos a cancel, cos a. So this is equal to RHS. So this is the first proof. Next, second. So coming to the second one. Sin of 3 pi minus a, 3 pi minus a, cos of a minus pi by 2, tan of 3 pi by 2 minus a by cosec of 13 pi by 2, cosec of 13 pi by 2 plus a, sec of 3 pi plus a, cot of a minus pi by 2, cot of a minus pi by 2 equal to cos power 4a, equal to cos power 4a. Okay, now so I am taking this one. So the quadrant angle is 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. So actually this is more than 2 pi. So that's why I want to write LHS sin 3 pi minus a, cos a minus pi by 2, tan 3 pi by 2 minus a by cosec 13 pi by 2 plus a, sec 3 pi plus a, cot a minus pi by 2. So simple thing, what I am doing, writing LHS completely. Now, so 3 pi I want to write 2 pi plus pi sin 2 pi plus pi minus a cos of. So actually quadrant angle should be positive. So I want to take minus common, pi by 2 minus a. Next, tan 3 pi by 2 minus a by. So 13 pi by 2. 13 by 2 6.5. So cosec 6 pi plus pi by 2 plus a. Sec 2 pi plus pi plus a. Next, I am taking minus common in this, cot of minus of pi by 2 minus a. Next, after this 2 pi equal to 0, 6 pi equal to 0, 2 pi. 2 pi, one complete revolution, 0. Again 4 pi, 2 revolutions, 4 pi, 0. So first, if we are taking, this is pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. So again complete revolution, again 2 pi, again 2 pi. So 2 pi equal to 0, 4 pi equal to 0, 6 pi equal to 0. So multiples of 2 pi, integral multiples of 2 pi are 0. So 2 pi equal to 0, 6 pi equal to 0. This 2 pi is also equal to 0. Sin, this is 0 pi minus 6. Cos of minus theta, cos theta, cos of pi by 2 minus 6. Next, tan of 3 pi by 2, 270. So tan will changes to cot A, and 270 minus third quadrant tan is positive. So this is plus by 6 pi 0 cosec pi by 2 plus a. 2 pi equal to 0 sec pi plus a into cot of minus theta minus cot theta minus of cot pi by 2 minus e. Pi by 2 minus e. So pi 180. So 180 sin will become sin. Second quadrant it is positive. Pi by 2 90. Sin cos will become sin a. In the first quadrant it is also positive into cot a by cosec 90 will change. Second quadrant it is negative 180. It will become second. Third quadrant 180 plus third quadrant minus. Next, cot 90 is changes to tan a. So in first quadrant it is positive, plus into minus, minus. Okay, this. So once again, sin of pi minus a plus sin a, cos of pi by 2 minus a plus sin a, cot of, so plus cot a, cosec 90 plus, so cosec second quadrant it is positive. In the second quadrant cosec is positive, that's why plus sec a. Now minus into minus plus, so sin a into sin a, cos a equal to cos a by sin a by, so this is sec a equal to 1 by cos a into 1 by cos a into tan a sin a by cos a. So sin a cancel, sin a cancel. So next, so here cos a. So this cos cube a comes to the numerator, cos cube a equal to cos power 4a. This is equal to RHS. So this is also true. Next, question number 3, third one. Sin 780, sin 780, sin 480, sin 780, sin 480 plus cos 240, cos 300 equal to 1 by 2. sin 780, sin 480, cos 240, cos 300 equal to 1 by 2. We need to prove it is equal to 1 by 2. So LHS sin 780, sin 480 plus cos 240, cos 300 implies, so sin 780 we will get as 720 plus 60, sin 480 we can write as 360 plus 120. Next, cos 240, cos 300. So I am not changing these two. These two are more than 360. That's why I want to write. So 360 equal to 0. One revolution 360 0. Two revolution 720 is also equal to 0. This is also 0. Sin 60. This 120 I want to write sin 180 minus 60. Sin 180 minus 60. This is cos 180 plus 60. This cos 360 minus 60. So I want to convert into a quadrant angles. So sin 60 as it is, do 180 sin will become sin. So sin 60 second quadrant it is positive, so plus. So 180, since it is 180, so cos will become cos 60. So third quadrant 180 plus third quadrant cos is negative, minus into plus minus. So next 360 cos will become cos 60. So in the fourth quadrant it is positive, so I am taking like that, positive simply. So sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, cos 60 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Root 3 into root 3 3, 2 into 2 4 minus 1 into 1 1, 2 into 2 4, 3 minus 1 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. So this is equal to RHS. Okay, next question. Next question is fourth. Fourth one is sin 150 minus 5 sin 300 minus 5 sin 300 plus 7 tan 225 sin 150 minus 5 sin 5 cos 300, actually it is 5 cos 300 sin 150 minus 5 cos 300 plus 7 tan 225 by tan 135 plus 3 sin 210 equal to minus 2. Okay, so if we observe, I want to convert first LHS sin 150 minus 5 cos 300 plus 7 tan 225 by tan 135 plus 3 sin 210. Okay, so 150 I want to write 180 minus 30 sin 180 minus 30 minus 5 cos 300 I want to write 360 minus 60 plus 7 tan 180 plus 45 by, so this is tan 180 minus 45 135. So this is 3 sin 180 plus 30. So all I want to convert mostly 180 and 360, because 180 and 360 the trigonometric ratio will remain same. So sin 30 180 will be sin. So 180 minus second quadrant positive 360. So minus 5 cos 60. Once 360 minus theta lies in the fourth quadrant, cos is positive, plus into minus minus. Next 7 tan 45. So 180 plus theta lies in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, tan is positive, plus into plus by. So 180 180 is tan 45. In the second quadrant 180 minus second quadrant tan is negative minus. So sin 180 plus, so 3 sin 30. 180 plus third quadrant. So third quadrant sin is negative. Negative into positive, negative. So now sin 30 equal to 1 by 2 minus 5 into cos 60 1 by 2 plus 7 into tan 45 1 by minus 1 minus 3 into 1 by 2 equal to, so taking LCM 2 by 2 1 into 1 1 2 by 2 1 into 5 5 minus 5 2 into 7 4 by, so LCM 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 to cancel, so equal to 14 minus plus 1 15 minus 5 10 by minus 5 minus 10 by 5 equal to, so this is equal to R. This is the required solution. Okay, next question. So next question is fifth one. Cot pi by 20. Cot 3 pi by 20. Cot 5 pi by 20. Cot 7 pi by 20. Cot 9 pi by 20 equal to 1. Okay. So we need to prove this one. Pi by 20, 3 pi by 20, 5 pi by 20, 7 pi by 20, 9 pi by 20. LHS first. Cot pi by 20, cot 3 pi by 20, cot 5 pi by 20, cot 7 pi by 20, cot 9 pi by 20. So I want to prove this is equal to 1. So if we observe, all the denominators are equal to 20. What is the half of 20? Half of the 20 is 10. So 10. 10 minus 1 equal to 9. 10 minus 9 equal to 1. 10 minus 3 equal to 7. 10 minus 7 equal to 3. So observe the relation. This one, these two are related to this one. According to denominator 10. So that I am taking cot 5 by 20, cot 3 pi by 20, cot 5 cancel pi by 4, cot pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 20, cot pi by 2 minus pi by 20. So if we observe denominator numerator, if we observe, if it is 19 pi by 20, we write pi minus pi by 20, 19 pi by 20. If it is 21 pi by 20, we write pi plus pi by 20. So if it is 9 pi, so it is less than half. 9 pi by 20, pi by 2 minus half, pi by 2. So pi by 2, yes, how much 1? Pi by 20. Pi by 2 minus pi by 2. If it is 11 pi by 20, we write, so more than half, pi by 2 plus pi by 20. So 7 pi by 20. So how much? 3 less than pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 20. Okay. Now, so cot equal to 1 by tan pi by 20. So this is 1 by tan 3 pi by 20. Next, cot 45 1. Pi by 4 45 is equal to 1. Pi by 2 90. Cot will become tan 3 pi by 20. Cot 90. Cot will become tan pi by 20. Tan pi by 20. Tan 3 pi by 20 cancel 1. So this we need to prove RHS. So we need to prove only this one. Okay, next similar kind of example in examples. So the question is example 6. So example 6 is prove that cos pi by 16, cot pi by 16, cot 2 pi by 16, cot 3 pi by 16, 3 pi by 16 up to cot 7 pi by 16 equal to 1. So we need to prove this one. Okay. So for this, I am taking LHS. First, left side. Cot pi by 16. Cot 2 pi by 16. Cot 3 pi by 16. Cot 4 pi by 16. Cot 5 pi by 16. Cot 6 pi by 16. Cot 7 pi by 16. Up to small meaning like that. Pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, 6 pi, 7 pi. So all I know. So if we observe, all the denominators are 16. Half of the 16 is 8. 8 minus 1 equal to 7. 8 minus 2 equal to 6. 8 minus 3 equal to 5. All these three we write as similar to this one. Pi by 2 minus, pi by 2 minus, pi by 2 minus. So cot pi by 16. Cot 2 pi by 16. Cot 3 pi by 16. Cot 4 cancel pi by 4. Cot pi by 2 minus pi by 3 pi by 16. So pi by 2 half. How much less? 3 less than 3 pi by 16. Cot pi by 2 half. How much less than 8 minus 6? 2. So 2 pi by 16. Cot pi by 2 minus pi by 16. So cot equal to 1 by tan. 1 by tan pi by 16. 1 by tan 2 pi by 16. 1 by tan 3 pi by 16. Cot 1. Cot. So this pi by 2 will become tan 3 pi by 16. Tan 2 pi by 16. Tan pi by 16. So tan pi by 16 cancel. Tan 2 pi by 16 cancel. Tan 3 pi by 16 cancel. Equal to 1. That is equal to RHS. Okay. Next. So similar kind of example. One more problem like this. Example 3. So example 3 is find the value of sin square pi by 10 plus sin square 4 pi by 10 plus sin square 6 pi by 10 plus sin square 9 pi by 10. So we need to find out this value. Okay, so what I am doing is, so all I want to convert into pi by 10. First I want to write what we need to find. So sin square pi by 10 plus sin square 4 pi by 10 plus sin square 6 pi by 10 plus sin square 9 pi by 10. So this is pi by 10. All I want to write in terms of pi by 10. So all the denominators are 10. So this is 10. 4. Compare. Half of 10, 5. 4. 1 less than. So pi by 2 minus pi by 10. 1 less than. So this is 1 more than pi by 2 plus pi by 10. This is 1 less than the denominator, not half. So pi minus pi by 10. So once we see sin square pi by 10 as it is plus sin square half 5. So pi by 2 minus pi by 10. So half of 10 5 1 less than pi by 10. So plus sin square pi by 2 1 more than half pi by 10 plus sin square 1 less than, not half, 1 less than the denominator. Okay, so sin square 10 as it is plus this is 90. 90 means change. So cos square pi by 10. This is not cos pi by 10. So since it lies in the first quadrant, sin is positive. So positive square is also positive. So pi by 2 90, again cos square pi by 10. So sin will pi by 2 sin will become cos square pi by 10. And one more thing, so pi by 2 plus, so 90 plus second quadrant sin is positive, even though it is positive or negative, square will be positive. Okay, so 180 minus 180 sin will become sin square pi by 10. Okay, so sin square theta plus cos square theta, cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So the required result is equal to 2. Okay, next exercise. Second question. In that first simplify. So we need to simplify. Sin minus 11 pi by 3 tan 35 pi by 6 sec minus 7 pi by 3 by cos 5 pi by 4 cosec 7 pi by 4 cos 17 pi by 6 17 pi by 6. Okay, so we need to simplify this one. So I am doing it simply. Sin of minus theta minus sin theta minus sin 11 pi by 3. So 35 by 6. So actually if we do 35 by 6, it is more than 2 pi. So 6 into 5 30, more than 5 pi. But we don't, 5 pi value won't be 0. I want to write this one, tan 6 pi minus pi by 6. 6 into 6, 36 minus 1, 35 pi by 6. We can write like this. Next, so sec of minus theta plus sec theta. Next by denominator. So 5 by 4 cos of pi plus pi by 4. 4 pi plus pi, 5 pi by 4. Next, cosec. So 1 less than the double. 4 is the denominator. 4 into 2 8, 1 less than. So double 2 pi minus pi by 4. Next, this is 1 less than the triple, but 3 pi won't be 0. I want to convert in terms of 2 pi only. 2 pi plus 5 pi by 6. So 2 pi equal to 0, that's why I am writing. 3 pi minus 5 pi by 6 also we can write, but 3 pi won't be 0. 2 pi equal to 0, I want to write like this. So this minus sin. So 11 by 3, 4 times. 4 pi minus pi by 3. 4 into 3, 12 minus 1, 11 pi by 3. Next 6 pi equal to 0, tan minus pi by 6. Next, so this one sec 2 pi plus pi by 3. 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, 7 pi by 3. Next, so 180 cos will become cos pi by 4. Which quadrant? Pi plus third quadrant minus 2 pi minus cosec 2 pi. 2 pi means cosec theta. Cosec pi by 4. Which quadrant it is? Fourth quadrant. Cosec is negative. So cosec pi by 4. Next, 2 pi equal to 0. Cos 5 pi by 6. Next, so 4 pi equal to 0. Minus sin of minus pi by 3. Tan of minus theta minus tan theta minus tan pi by 6. 2 pi equal to 0. Sec pi by 3 by cos minus cos pi by 4. Next, minus cosec pi by 4. So this 5 pi by 6 I want to write pi minus 5 by 6. So this is already 5 pi by 6, pi minus 5 by 6. theta, minus sin theta, minus will become plus. So minus to minus cancel, minus to minus cancel. Overall, so I want to write the values now. 5 by 3, 60, sin 60, root 3 by 2. Sin 60, root 3 by 2. Tan 30, 1 by root 3. Next, sec 60. Sec 60 equal to next cos pi by 4, 1 by root 2. Cosec pi by 4, root 2. Cos 30, root 3 by 2. So root 2 cancel, root 3 cancel, root 2 cancel, root 3 comes to 2 by root 3. So this is the required solution.